Alright, hello, I am back, and I've taken this, and wait for it. Ta-da! So, this is what the core of a standard Rubik's Cube 3x3 looks like, and I have all the pieces right here. Hold on. Right, so you can see there are a lot of pieces. Where did that go? Under here. There goes one. And later. So, hold on, I think I just... No. Right. So, I'm going to try to put this back together. This time it did not work so well. Alright. I'll be right back. Right, so now that we finished, reassembled it, and it's a little tight now, but it's fine. I'm trying to figure out a way to take the core apart and make this Rubik's Cube into a shape-shifting Rubik's Cube, but I don't know. Let's give this a quick solve. Yeah, it's a little tight now, but it's still fine. So after this, I'll shortly be making a tutorial on how to take the cube apart and put it back together. But I don't know if I'll do that today, tomorrow, or next week. It will be in soon. So also I'll be doing a tutorial on how to solve the pillowed 5x5, and hold on, just doing it the keyhole method right now. Save me time. And there we go. So, thanks for watching, and leave your comments below. Tell me what you thought. See ya!